This is how I drew Bristol Old Vic using pen and pencil. I first drew the outline of the building in pencil by using reference photographs and counting blockwork. I then used the position of the blockwork to position the rest of the elements such as windows. Alright. I then added other elements such as pediments of the windows, window heads, window sills. Other elements include windows and doors at the base of the building. I'm using my mechanical pencil for all of this. Once all the pencil work is done, I then progress onto using a pen and going over everything in ink. I'm using 0.05 fine liner. I then like to fill in any glazed areas with black ink. So I fill this in between all the glazing bars on all the windows. Next, I start setting out the blockwork coursing, just using my pencil. Then it's time to add in texture, so I start shading in all the blockwork individually in different directions so they kind of look like individual blocks. After this, I like to add shadow, so I cast shadows from any projecting elements such as these columns. And there we have it. That's Bristol Old Vic drawn and completed. If you'd like to see the full process from start to finish, with full explanations along the way, then just join my Patreon. I have all the videos there. Thanks for watching. Do give us a like and a subscribe. See you next time.